Alright folks, listen up. When we talk about solid players, enterprise products partners, EPD is a name that screams stability. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. No sir, this is a behemoth, a giant in the midstream energy sector. They are the essential toll collectors, baby. Making money moving energy across America. EPD isn't just big, it's smart. They own a vast network. We're talking pipelines, storage, processing, the whole shebang, people. This infrastructure is absolutely critical. It's the backbone of our energy supply. Think about it. Without companies like EPD, the energy we need simply wouldn't flow. They are the quiet giants making it happen. Why does this matter to you, the investor? Because this is a business with moats. Big, wide, alligator-filled moats. It's not easy to replicate what EPD has built. That means consistent demand for their services. They are not drilling for oil, hoping to strike it rich. They get paid for transporting and processing it. That's a much more predictable, steady business model. And who's running this ship? Experienced captains, that's who. The management team at EPD knows their stuff. They've navigated through all sorts of markets, boom times and bust times, they've seen it all. And they continue to deliver for shareholders. That kind of leadership, that kind of vision, is exactly what you want in a company. Trust me on this one, folks. Now let's talk stock performance. Booyah! EPD has been a steady climber, folks. Not necessarily a rocket ship to the moon, but a reliable workhorse in your portfolio. Over the past year, we've seen resilience. The stock has shown strength even in choppy waters. It's been holding key levels, showing investor confidence. This isn't just some flash in the pan, people. It's a testament to their solid business. Let's look at the numbers, the metrics, the price-to-earnings ratio, the PE. It's reasonable. Not overblown, not crazy. This tells you you're not overpaying for earnings. Their market cap? Huge. We're talking billions. Debt levels? Managed responsibly, folks. They're not drowning in debt like some other players. This financial prudence is key to their stability. They are building value consistently and carefully. How about their financial health overall? Strong, robust, making money hand over fist. Revenue streams are diverse and fee-based. That means less exposure to wild commodity swings. Profitability has been consistent year after year. They are masters of their craft, turning assets into cash. This isn't just luck, it's smart operations. They know how to squeeze every ounce of profit. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. EPD has proven it can weather storms. Think about economic downturns, energy price swings. While other companies are scrambling, EPD stands tall. Their fee-based contracts provide a buffer. This resilience makes it a core holding, a stock you can sleep well owning at night. It's built for the long haul, not just a quick trade. This kind of stability is golden in today's market. You want dependability? EPD delivers it. Income investors, your ears perk up now. This is where EPD truly shines like a diamond. We're talking dividends, big juicy dividends. EPD is a veritable cash machine for its unit holders. If you're looking for regular income, a steady stream of cash hitting your account, then EPD needs to be on your radar. Seriously, this is what they are famous for. Ka-ching! That's the sound of EPD checks. Let's talk history. The dividend track record. EPD has been paying dividends for ages. And not just paying, but increasing them. Year after year like clockwork. That's over 2 decades of distribution growth. This consistency is what sets them apart. They understand the importance of returning value, returning cash to the people who own the company. That's you, the investor. They get it. What about the payout ratio? Is it sustainable? You bet your bottom dollar it is. They're not stretching themselves thin to pay you. The cash flow comfortably covers the distribution. This shows financial strength and prudence. They are reinvesting in the business wisely, while also rewarding their loyal investors. This balance is crucial for long-term success. They are not just giving away the farm, they're sharing. So why is EPD so darn attractive for dividends? It's the reliability, folks, the predictability. In a world of uncertainty, that EPD dividend is like an anchor for your income portfolio. It provides a high yield consistently. This stream of income can help fund your retirement, or just give you extra spending money. It's a powerful tool for wealth building. Don't underestimate the power of compounding those payouts. What's the future hold for EPD? Bright. I'm talking growth, expansion, more success. They have a pipeline of projects, literally. New infrastructure to meet growing energy demand. They are investing in the future of energy. This includes natural gas liquids, petrochemicals. These are high-demand products, people. EPD is positioning itself to capitalize big time. They are not resting on their laurels, no way. The world needs energy, that's a fact. And natural gas and NGLs are key. EPD is perfectly placed to benefit from this. Their assets are critical for transporting these fuels. As global demand grows, so does the need for EPD. This provides a long runway for growth. They are an essential part of the energy transition, providing reliable fuels while the world evolves. This is a long-term tailwind, folks. Now, no investment is without risk. None. You gotta keep your eyes wide open, always. Regulatory changes could impact operations. Commodity prices, while less direct, can have effects. Interest rates going up can make borrowing pricier. These are things to watch, to be aware of. But EPD has a strong history of managing these. Do your homework. Never invest blindly. Know what you own and why you own it. So what's the bottom line on EPD? This is a top-tier player, a leader. Investor sentiment remains positive for a reason. For income seekers, it's a no-brainer to consider. The combination of a strong yield, consistent dividend growth, and a solid business model makes EPD a compelling story. It could be a cornerstone of your portfolio. Booyah! Go do your research. But EPD is a buy.